Imagine standing on a planet where the temperature is so high, it vaporizes iron, and when night falls, that iron condenses and rains from the sky. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is WASP-76b, an actual planet just 640 light-years away that quite literally rains molten iron. Discovered in 2013, this exoplanet has stunned scientists not just with its hellish climate, but with what it teaches us about planets outside our solar system, the so-called hot Jupiters. Today, we're diving into the science behind one of the strangest places we've ever found in the universe. WASP-76b is an ultra-hot gas giant, roughly twice the size of Jupiter. It orbits extremely close to its star, just 3 million miles away. That's over 10 times closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Because of this, the planet completes an orbit in just 1.8 Earth days. What's more, WASP-76b is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the star, just like our Moon always shows the same face to Earth. This creates an extreme contrast between the day and night sides, a key reason for the iron rain. On the day side, temperatures can reach up to 2,400 degrees Celsius, that's over 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to vaporize metals, including iron. The atmosphere on the star-facing side becomes a cauldron of metal vapor, which is then swept by powerful winds toward the cooler night side. How fast are those winds? Some estimates suggest over 10,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than hypersonic jets. As the iron-rich gas moves from the scorching day side to the cooler night side, something incredible happens. The temperature drops enough for iron vapor to condense back into liquid droplets, like steam turning into rain. And then it rains. Not water, not methane, but liquid iron. This was confirmed by researchers using the Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile, who detected iron atoms on the day side, but not on the night side. Why? Because it had already rained down before they could see it. This is not a metaphor or artistic interpretation. It's real physics, backed by spectroscopic data. WASP-76b skies are constantly shifting. There's no sunrise or sunset because the planet doesn't rotate, at least not in a way we'd recognize. The twilight zone, the border between day and night, is a region of massive storm systems and violent transitions in temperature and pressure. Some scientists believe that iron isn't the only thing raining. Other heavy metals like calcium and magnesium might also be in the atmosphere. Imagine an entire planet where it's always either boiling hot or raining molten metal. That's WASP-76b. So why should we care about a hell planet we'll never visit? Because every time we study a world like WASP-76b, we're learning more about how planets form, how atmospheres behave, and what conditions might support life or destroy it. Understanding extreme planets helps us model our own solar system's past and future. It also pushes the limits of physics and chemistry under conditions we can't reproduce on Earth. And remember, WASP-76b is just one of thousands of confirmed exoplanets, and some are even stranger. In the end, WASP-76b reminds us that the universe doesn't just allow weird, it thrives on it. What we once thought impossible, like a planet raining iron, is now a documented reality. And if that's what we've found in just one small corner of the galaxy, what else is out there? If you enjoyed this dive into the strange weather of other worlds, hit subscribe because this is just the beginning. The cosmos is full of facts we haven't even imagined yet. And on this channel, we bring them down to Earth.